In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add preset in Excel. When you're working with an image inside a worksheet, presets are a quick way to apply a polished combination of effects, like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, and even a bit of 3D rotation, all in one click. This helps your picture stand out without spending time tweaking each effect individually. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips to make sure the result looks clean and professional. Start by selecting the picture you want to enhance. Just click the image once so it's highlighted with little handles around the edges. If you don't see those handles, it isn't selected yet. Selecting the picture is important because Excel only shows picture formatting options when an image is active. Also, if you have multiple pictures on the sheet, make sure you're clicking the correct one so the preset you apply goes to the right image. With the picture selected, go to the ribbon and look for the Picture Format tab. In the Picture Styles group, click Picture Effects. Depending on your window size, this might appear as an icon with a small glowing shape. If the tab isn't visible, it usually means the picture isn't selected. So click the image again, and the tab should appear. Picture Effects opens a menu that gathers all the visual effects you can apply to the picture in one place. From that Picture Effects menu, choose Preset. This section bundles several effects into curated combinations. It's useful when you want a cohesive look without having to adjust shadow angles, glow sizes, or rotations manually. As you open Preset, you'll see a gallery of options. Hovering over them can give you a live preview on your image in many versions of Excel, which helps you compare choices quickly without committing. Now select the preset that best matches your document's style. Aim for clarity and balance. Subtle shadows and gentle bevels often look more professional than heavy 3D angles. If the preset feels too strong, try a lighter option, or simply press Undo to revert. You can always reopen Picture Effects and pick a different preset until you're satisfied. After applying the preset, scan your sheet to ensure labels, numbers, and nearby content remain legible and aligned, especially if the preset adds depth or rotation. And that's it. Click your picture, open Picture Effects, go to Preset, and choose the look you like. With just a few clicks, your image will have a refined, consistent style that elevates your Excel workbook.